Don't pass up this rare opportunity in the desirable Woodland Lakes. Welcome home to this elegantly humble 3-bedroom, 2.5-bath ranch home. Upon entering, you'll notice an open concept floor plan with seamless flow from start to finish. The practical kitchen is complete with granite countertops and ample cabinet space with a wonderful view overlooking the patio and wooded lot. The west side of the home boasts 2 bedrooms with more than suitable closet space, separated by a Jack and Jill bathroom, equipped with pocket doors. This flow would not be complete without a laundry room with storage attached to the oversized 2-car garage. The east side of the home is the master's retreat. Here you'll find a generously sized bedroom, an ensuite complete with shower and soaker tub, and a walk-in closet with lots of storage. The home office is a room with a view, with a picturesque window to enjoy the view while you're working from home. Woodland Lakes is a host to a pond, association pool, and friendly trails, all just waiting for you. Your future home is calling. Call Christina Yanoles to answer all your questions.